Hello friends, welcome to Thirsty Engineer. In this video, we are going to see about drawing tools in our AutoCAD software. Drawing tool, this is very basic tool. For every engineer should know these tools available in AutoCAD software. First of all, if you are a beginner, choose and set AutoCAD Classic mode in your AutoCAD software. From here, at the top you can find several options here: format, tools, draws, dimension, modify, etc. Now we are going to see draw option clearly in this video. Choose draw. Here you can see line, ray, construction lay, multi-line, several options are there. We can see one by one. Line. By choosing line, we can draw line from one point to another point. For example, I am giving a value as 1, 2. Like this we can draw using our line command. Another one is ray command. Ray command is nothing but a line which has starting point but has no end point. We can draw this from anywhere, any direction, like this one. Okay. Another one is construction line. Construction line is the line which has only the midpoint, has no start point and the end point. This is how it would be. Like this you can see. This is construction line. Next one is multi-line. Multi-line is nothing but you can create a polyline more than one at a time, like this. We can also draw by giving a value. This is how it would be. And this is a polyline. These two lines would be a polyline. Okay. Next one is a polyline. Polyline is nothing but it's a connection of series of lines. I mean series of bit lines connected together to forms a polyline. This is how. This is how it would be. And next thing is 3D polyline. 3D polyline is generally used while we are working on a 3D plane. Now just leave it for a while. And then it's it's called polygon. Now we can choose polygon here. Polygon. By choosing polygon, it is asking for us to specify the number of sides. For example, I'm going to draw a pentagon now. So I am giving the number of sides as 5. And we have to choose an center point here. It is also asking for an option inscribed circle or circumscribed circle. Now I am choosing the inscribed circle. For example, I am giving the diameter of the circle as 1. Sorry, it's a radius value that we entered. Okay, fine. This is only. For example, if we choose an circumscribed about wait a minute. Number of sides 5, center, circumscribed about circle, and I'm giving as radius as 1. See, this is the difference between the circumscribed about circle and inscribed in circle. That's the difference is, well, in inscribed in circle, the polygon forms inside the circle. Circumscribed above the circle, the polygon forms outside the circle. This is the difference between both the options available in the polygon option. Another one is to draw a rectangle. rectangle by clicking the rectangle, or you can also use the shortcut as REC, enter. Rectangle, by choosing you can also draw like this. We can also specify the length value at the start itself by choosing the rectangle. It is asking me for to specify a corner point. Now I have to give dimensions. One width I am giving 2. Yes, we have drawn a rectangle now. This is how it works. And draw command. In this draw command, ellipse generally we use in 3D. I also show the end of this session. I will show the ellipse also. Arc is nothing but arc has several options. 3 points arc, start center end, start center angle, start center length. You can try all of this together. This is very easy one. You can learn by and trial and error method by using this kind of option. Let's see 3-point arc. 3-point arc is nothing but choosing a 3-point, it forms an arc. Very simple. Then start and center is nothing but start, end, center. Center means you have to give what to say, you have to give radius value or something like that. Okay. And circle also like this, the same. Center radius, center diameter, 2 points. We can, by using choosing 3 points, we can form a circle like this. There are several number of options are there. Tangent circle also there. Let me clearly show you that an example. Tan radius, it's like nothing but in the circle you are going to draw is tangent to this line and also tangent to this line, and also you have to specify some radius by giving 1. It's satisfied by tangent this knot, by this knot. By choosing, it's satisfied like this. Understand what I am going to say? Are you able to understand? If you are not able to understand any of the thing, please comment us and we will be correcting our issues later. Okay. This is how it would work. Okay, fine. Donut is nothing but it's like a bullet point in AutoCAD. By simply choosing center point, radius as 1, and outer radius as 2. Yeah, this is how donut works. We can use it for multiple times. Spline is nothing but you can create a point to point options like this. Spline goes on. And several options like this table point hatch gradient will be seeing in our next upcoming video, because it needs several time to explain it deeply to make it understand. Okay. And ellipse is nothing but it's very simple. By choosing the center point, we have to give an x-axis, y-axis direction. 1 in the x, 2 in the y. This forms an ellipse. Like this is very option. Guys, my sincere suggestion is to keep practicing these tools here so that you will be getting ease with this. If you are strong with this kind of tools, you will be able to shine as a better engineer. designer, CAD designer in the near future. Okay, keep practicing daily. We are going to see the rest of the commands in our next upcoming videos, so don't miss it. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you'll never miss out any of the videos. Please stay tuned with us because this is very important. We are giving free courses here. We are providing a free courses here. If you missed any of the episodes, you will be lag in a flow. Okay, my advice is to just install any AutoCAD software in your system or PC, laptop, anything, and keep practicing what are the things that we are providing here. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and you guys are really amazing audience for our Thirsty Engineer channel. If you are also a thirsty engineer, join our community. Let's rock and let's go beyond the world, because success comes from a first step. That step you need to take now. All the best guys, have a good day, cheer up guys, bye. I'll see you on the next fantastic video. Okay, fine, bye.